Hi guys, this is a 2012 Honda Odyssey. Going to replace the cabin air filter, as you can guess. This is the part number that I used. Ordered it off the internet. And this is the 2012 Honda Odyssey. I'll try to put a light up there for you. It's got about 100,000 miles, and I don't think I've ever changed this one or had it changed. So when you open it up, there's your glove box. I already took all the stuff out. And if you see on the side over here, it's got some stops up in here, and all you have to do is push. You can see that stop right there, so push those in, pinch the door in, and then remember it's got a little like shock absorber down there right there, so you gotta you're gonna have to click that off too. So you might be able to do that first. I'm gonna do that first, then the door will swing all the way down. So I'm gonna see if I can reach down there and kind of ease the pressure off and then push it down, and that lets that shock absorber so you don't break that hook, and then that'll pull back up in. And then all you do is you put pressure on your door in over here and the same stop on here. Alright, so I'm going to put the pressure on those. There we go. And it comes down. So you can see once you take that and it's hinged, see the hinge over here and the hinge over there, and then they just push back on when you're ready to go. So here is the door, and it looks like it's got little pinch clamps that you just push in and then you pull it out. So you got to do that on both sides. There we go. So I pinch that one, and now it just slides in and out. So you pull it out, and you see the direction, airflow, the arrow's pointing down. So it's gonna, looks like it's gonna catch a little bit, so you gotta wiggle it. You gotta get it, don't break off your little tab, so you wanna pull that out, see? So now it comes all the way out. Let's see what we got. Ooh, man, holy crap. Look at all that. Damn, I'm not gonna tell my wife about that one. Alright guys, so you just take this one out. Alright, I'm going to set it down here for the sake of time. Then I'm going to grab my new one, and I'm going to stick it in. So you want to orient this the correct way. Alright, so here it is. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So guys, just orient this the correct way and stick it back in. Let me pause this for a minute.